Namaskar. Today we will be talking about conscious mind and subconscious mind synchronization. It is very essentially required. মানে আমাদের কনসাস মাইন্ড আর সাবকনসাস মাইন্ডের সিনক্রোনাইজেশন বা বোঝাপড়া কতটা আছে দ্যাট ইজ এক্সক্লুসিভলি রিকোয়ার টু হ্যাপেন। দেখা যাক মাইন্ডের দুটো পার্ট কনসাস এবং সাবকনসাস মাইন্ডের ডিফারেন্সটা কী বা হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ডিফারেন্স বিটুইন conscious mind and subconscious mind. Now you are reading a book, you are seeing a beautiful movie that is called conscious mind activities. মানে আমরা দেখছি, শুনছি, খাচ্ছি, ঘ্রাণ পাচ্ছি, এগুলো সব কনসাস মাইন্ডে হয়। কিন্তু কনসাস মাইন্ডের পরেও একটা সাবকনসাস মাইন্ড থাকে। You are watching my video, that is the conscious mind activity, but after seeing the video you will go back and open up your fridge and take out the Belgium chocolate, eat that and enjoy by watching beautiful cricket. So after conscious mind there is a deep rooted subconscious mind which is really empowering thing and 90% powerful, where conscious mind only does the 10%. আপনারা সবাই এরোপ্লেন দেখেছেন, so beautiful aeroplane aircraft. So these aircraft is the subconscious mind. This is the body, this is the structure, and pilot only this much, which has got the skill, ability, agility, empowerment, motivation to make the drive to be happen, to fly to happen. কিন্তু pilot যতই চেষ্টা করুক না কেন, whatever effort pilot do, actually pilot does this 10%, but plane is a huge, that's a subconscious mind. Until unless plane is 100% fit to go, it is really well aligned by the parts and the piece of the aeroplane, the journey may not be successful. So আমরা যখন একটা motivational video দেখি, we see a beautiful motivational talk, we get empowered, we get enlightened, wow, something I need to do something on. But after 72 hours our motivation, inspiration, aspiration goes down. Why? Because these boost in the conscious mind never goes to the subconscious mind, which is actually push you to move forward with your willpower, with your all aspiration. So it is extremely required to boost your subconscious mind, to wipe out the old printing, negative belief, and then install a positive belief there so that you can create a winning habit. So potentially what is actually the conscious mind is creative mind. তুমি একটা কিছু দেখলে you are becoming creative, you are nicely doing things. কিন্তু সাবকনসিয়াস মাইন্ড হচ্ছে হ্যাবিট মাইন্ড। মানে you get excellence. ছোটবেলায় অঙ্ক যেভাবে করা হতো, you practice, and when this kind of solution is wanted in your examination, you create a wow, right? তেমনি করে সাবকনসিয়াস মাইন্ডকে বুস্ট করতে গেলে we need to do two things. We need to really have a feeling that yes, I can do that, why I should do that, how I should do that. মানে ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে ক্রিয়েটিভ মাইন্ড হচ্ছে কনসিয়াস মাইন্ড, সাবকনসিয়াস মাইন্ড হচ্ছে দি হ্যাবিট মাইন্ড, দি ফিলিং মাইন্ড। মানে আপনি একটা কিছু করতে চাইছেন, একটা কিছু অভিষ্ট কিছু পেতে চাইছেন। লেটস সে আপনি একটা চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপে বক্সিং লড়তে যাচ্ছেন, কাজেই আপনি যদি ভাবেন আমি চ্যাম্পিয়ন হব, আমি চ্যাম্পিয়ন হয়ে সবাই আমাকে মেডেল দেবে, সবাই হাততালি দেবে এবং আমি আমার দেশের মুখ উজ্জ্বল করব, দ্যাটস ওয়ান। সো হোয়েন ইউ স্টার্ট থিঙ্কিং, when you start preparing the journey, then mentally you are having a clarity why you need this, and you are preparing yourself on mental level, so mental boost will happen. Now not only positive thinking will work until you work for the positive thinking to materialize and give you the sustainable result. কাজেই I am the greatest, I am the champion, I am the greatest, I am the champion যখন মনের ভেতর থেকে বলবে, while punching the bag you need to also skillfully do that, prepare that as a habit, and then you need to do while inspiration of winner habit will come. So it is not only visualization, it is visualization plus affirmation plus aspiration plus doing things what is the knowledge that you will be translating into doing, so that you can really experiencing, and that experience will build up a confidence. And that confidence and repetitively doing things will create a positive anchor. That means you will be having, okay, this station I visited, so I know where is the toilet. This station I visited, okay, I know where is the platform number 2. Okay, this field I scored 100, so in the next match I will also do. So it is affirmation that installed, confidence getting installed, and that's how the printing of belief system, which is negative, which is past oriented, is boosted enough to get a future oriented direction and motivation. So practice, learn the subconscious re-imprinting, subconscious boosting from us. We have created a website www.icemindpower.com. So you can visit that website, you can purchase the modules for mind boosting, you can have this module being learned, and then you can interact with the teacher with 1:1 or group, so that you can convert your learning into doing, and you can really having the experience, and you can convert your learning into the difference creation in mind. We have 2 books available in Amazon. Links are in the below. So one is Be a Number One Problem Solver, how at the mind level you can be a good problem solver and enhance your problem solving skill. And the second is Iconic You. The Iconic You means you have got unlimited hidden potential. Until you nourish your skill, you sharpen your skill, until you enhance your ability, you will not be able to go from ordinary to the extraordinary level. Learn that, share that, practice that, and do not forget to share our video, so that who exactly need the encouragement, they can learn that. Subscribe, so that when more and more inner capability enrichment video will come, you can see, you can put that into practice. And obviously share our book, go to our website, visit and read, and that's how you can create wow moment in our life by adding a true value with the learning and enablement. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Best wishes.